You are now watching
Money Floyd Mayweather. You know, one of the best boxers in the game. All right, let's jump in. So let's just do this. So we pick that for the head. Pick that, and then the color. Pick that one if you want to go darker. It's your opinion. Let's go down to hairstyle. Well, I don't need to go to the hairstyle. You kind of already know what his hairstyle is. Eyebrows. Pick those. Position that you can pick that. Just pause the video, copy this, and then you want to pick that, and then go to the eyes, kind of like regular eyes. Position that. Just pause the video, copy it. All right, and then go to the nose. Pick that one. There you go. Let's move on to the mouth. Pick that mouth right there, position right there. Just copy all my stats and you'll have some accurate, and there's the color of that's the color, copy that. And then, I guess the color didn't matter. I don't know why I had it, but then facial hair, you want to pick those two right there. Put them together, so that's the position. The mole, he does have a little mole, or whatever you want to call it, next to his eyes. So if you want to add that, you don't have to. Kind of just gives it a more better look of him. And then that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. You have Floyd Mayweather.